Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to propagate and regrow potatoes from the market. So as you can see here, I have this really old potato that's starting to grow from the potato eyes here in multiple spots. So the cool thing about these is I'm probably not going to eat it because it's getting old, but where there's a lot of growth where the potato eyes are, we could go ahead and propagate those. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this potato strategically so that each eye can be its own plant. So you could basically turn this one potato into, let's see, 4 or 5 different potato plants. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting in here. There's an eye. There's an eye. There's an eye there. There's an eye there. And there's a couple of smaller eyes over here. Might be able to maybe one of those will grow. A couple eyes over here. And then we could go ahead and throw this out. So the next step is I'm going to put these in a bucket and I'm going to show you that outside. I'm going to go ahead and use this all-purpose garden soil for the potatoes. All right, so I have an empty bucket here and I'm just going to add a layer of soil at the bottom. Make sure you break up any chunks of soil. Potatoes prefer very loose soil. We're gonna go ahead and just break up these chunks here. And from here, we're just gonna go ahead and place those pieces of cut potatoes with the eyes facing the top, eyes side up. And we're gonna go ahead and cover that up. As you notice, I did not fill up this entire bucket. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna go ahead and continue breaking up these chunks. All right. We're gonna water it, and the reason why I did not fill up this entire bucket is that as the plant grows, we're gonna keep adding soil so that it continues to grow up. And then each potato plant could generate anywhere from 4, 5 to 6 potatoes. All right, cool. Thanks guys. Appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you try growing your own potatoes from the ones that are basically going old. I would really appreciate it if you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.